Saludos, amores. I'm hiding the special ingredient for this week's Saucy Sunday behind all the ingredients, but it's time to show you almost. Welcome back to Saucy Sunday, a summer series where I bring you a little saucy something that you can put on your dishes all summer long in the months of June, July, August, and a little bit of September. It's right around the corner. It's right around the corner. What are you going to do on Sundays? Huh? What are you going to do on Sundays? Anyways, today's Saucy Sunday inspiration is from having leftover roasted garlic and not wanting it to go bad because I put in so much work to roast it. Okay, so this is going to be something that I found on TikTok. I'll link the creator below, and basically is what we're going to do is make a sauce with the roasted garlic. Right? Okay. So let's move all of this out of the way so you can see here that this has been going on for a while. 2 hours at 400. So let's just first start by putting in all of the garlic in this bowl. It got like a little caramelized. I think I needed to go lower temp for longer, or I don't know. But it's damn good. Okay, we're going to use 3 cloves of garlic, 3 bulbs of garlic for this recipe. The video had 4, but I want to save 1 for like toast and stuff. Just 1 regular one for toast. And besides the fact that this took however long to roast, this is a pretty quick recipe in terms of execution. Have you ever roasted garlic before? It's so good. It like just makes you feel fancy with such minimal effort, you know? Like all you have to do is put it in the oven. There is a method of roasting garlic that I want to try where you cook it in fat and then something else. And it looks like easier. So I want to try that one. But you see how like the skin is coming? I think it's because, I don't want to say dried up. Oh, it cooled down. Because usually I don't wait this long to get it out, and it just slides on out. So how are we doing? What's new? What's the 411? Fun fact about me, when I need to remember something on a notebook or when I'm writing, I'll write 411 as in important. Don't know why. But whenever I would take notes, I'd always be like 411. Pay attention. Okay, now it's a matter of just putting everything together. So first thing is some olive oil. I hope that through this Saucy Sunday series, which if you haven't watched any of the videos, I do suggest you check them out. See what you like. We've made a lot of different sauces throughout this series. So many that I can't remember. But through it all, I hope that you learned some like basic cooking skills. Nothing too fancy because I am not a chef. I am a dietitian. But enough to get you a little bit more comfortable if you aren't already with the kitchen and just making things without necessarily needing a recipe, but more of a guide. I think when you're developing your cooking skills, it can be helpful to have recipes, but sometimes you need to just be able to listen to your intuition, you could say. Let's start with half a lemon juice, half a lemon, because I don't know how sour it's gonna be or anything like that. Okay, we got this lemon juice. There was no seeds. That was weird. Then we're gonna hit it with some soy sauce. This is my favorite soy sauce. My friend Whitney got it for me. And you only need a little bit because it is strong, aged, rich. Then we're gonna put in some good old Texas honey. This is on sale on H-E-B, and if I bought it, I also got a free peanut butter. So hell yeah, I bought it. Anything for peanut butter. We needed some honey. So let's add some honey in here. This feels like enough. The recipe called for vanilla extract. I would have never thought to put a vanilla in this, but let's just go with the flow and see what it's giving. We have some cayenne pepper, black pepper going in. I feel like it's more cayenne than black. There is barely any black pepper in here. I am due for a black pepper haul. And now we have some salt. Let's give it a mix. I'm telling you right now, that's a lot of soy sauce. But let's see, maybe if we break down the garlic. Good thing is we have one more garlic we can use if it's too powerful. But let's just write it out. It's giving miso paste, but like not. The vanilla smell. This is real interesting. This is real interesting. Let's give it a taste. Because I don't know what it's supposed to taste like, I don't know what it should taste like. It doesn't taste bad. It's just a different combo of flavors that I'm not used to. Definitely needed that little bit more lemon. Cut some of the flavor and brighten up the others. But it's like almost jammy also. The sweetness of the honey is nice with the like saltiness, umami-ness of the soy sauce, lemon. Okay, yes. Put the whole lemon. Put the whole lemon. This would be great on like some meat, some grilled meat. I have toast. Let's try it on a little baguette. I think this would be great with your morning breakfast. We have like eggs, also like maybe some beans. This is so interesting because I would never, ever, ever think to combine these ingredients to make anything, you know? You know what it reminds me of? Like a nice fig jam. A nice fig jam if it was like salty. Also maybe like in some pasta. You know when you get that really good pasta and want a little sauce? I think this with some grated Parmesan. Because it also has kind of like a French onion, caramelized onion type of flavor. So if you made a pasta with this, some cheese, pecorino romano, manchego, it would really be really nice together. I like it. Well, I like it enough to turn on the oven to roast garlic to make this? I don't think so. I don't think so. Am I glad that I gave it a try? 100%. Will I use it? 100%. Will I make it again? Maybe. Maybe. There you have it, folks. Our penultimate Saucy Sunday. I believe next one is our last one. That's crazy. So let me know in the comments which ones you've been liking, what you think next week's sauce is going to be. I'm going to save this in a little jar and put it on some toast. Check out the other videos if you're interested, and I'll see you next week. Have a good one. Love you. Bye.